Powerful, portable, and capable of chewing through practically anything put in front of them, reciprocating saws are a must for any demolition or renovation project. Also referred to as sawzalls, these handheld power saws have a straight, serrated blade that rapidly moves back and forth, aka reciprocates. They're relatively lightweight and comfortable to maneuver, and their narrow shape is especially convenient for accessing tight areas or cutting at awkward angles. So whether you're dealing with wood, plastic, or metal components, reciprocating saws are capable of getting the job done with less effort than sawing by hand. But the right reciprocating saw for you to add to your power tool collection is largely depending upon the type of work you do. We've put together this buying guide to share our expertise on essentials to consider before buying, along with the best reciprocating saws we recommend. Number 1. DeWalt DCS 367P1 Reciprocating Saw. This DeWalt saw is more compact and maneuverable than full-size models, but has more power and control than one-handed options. Its variable speed trigger can generate up to 2,900 strokes per minute, and the 4-position blade clamp orients the blade in whichever direction you prefer. It's light too, and weighing just 9.3 pounds, including the battery, works well for all-day projects, helping to minimize potential hand and shoulder fatigue. The included 5.0 Ah battery isn't the largest offered by DeWalt, so if you have big projects planned, I'd consider purchasing a larger capacity replacement. The variable speed trigger offers precise control over the cutting speed, enabling you to adjust the performance based on the material and application. The adjustable pivoting shoe helps stabilize the saw during operation and allows for better control and contact with the material, resulting in more accurate cuts. Number 2. Makita 12-amp JR3051T Reciprocating Saw. If you're a beginner looking to buy your first reciprocating saw, this mid-sized option is a great option. By including 2 different blades, one for wood and one for metal, it provides everything you need to tackle a wide variety of projects. I'm also a big fan of the oversized trigger, with space for a comfortable, 2-finger grip. Plus, its bargain price makes it much less of an investment than models that cost hundreds more. However, this low price is most likely due to its lack of a carrying case, which is considerably inconvenient if you plan on transporting your saw a lot, or just want to stow it away neatly. Quick and easy blade changes are possible with the toolless blade change system, enhancing productivity and convenience on the job site. Designed with user comfort in mind, the RJ03R1 has a rubberized soft grip handle that provides increased comfort on the job, reducing hand strain during prolonged use. Number 3. Bosch 12-volt Max Pocket Reciprocating Saw. Bosch is one of our favorite brands when it comes to compact, DIY-friendly tools, and this saw is a great example why. Bosch's small batteries give this tool a compact silhouette, and its handy level gauge lets you know how much juice is left as you work. At just 2.7 pounds, with the battery attached, and only 11 inches long, this is one of the lightest options you'll find on the market. The biggest drawback to this kit is the charger's flimsy power cord, which is less durable than many of its competitors. The powerful 12 volts motor delivers a no-load speed of up to 3,000 strokes per minute, providing fast and efficient cutting. The saw is capable of cutting a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. An ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfort and control, enhancing the user experience. The tool features a variable speed trigger for precise control over the cutting speed. Number 4. Black Plus Decker BDCR 20C 20 volts Max Reciprocating Saw. Considerably cheaper than the other models on our list, this cordless reciprocating saw is a great option for the casual hobbyist who doesn't have the budget for a high-end model. Its 20-volt motor delivers just as much power as larger tools, and just as much as the much more expensive DeWalt option below, though its 1.5 Ah battery means it won't last nearly as long as the 3.0 or 5.0 Ah options. The locking trigger switch also makes this an especially safe option, preventing the trigger from activating when pressed by accident. Its pivoting shoe also allows you to rock the blade as you saw without losing contact with the material you're cutting. Take on a variety of cutting tasks with the Black Plus Decker 20 volts Max Cordless Reciprocating Saw Kit. This powerful and versatile saw is perfect for cutting through wood, metal, and plastic with ease. Whether you're working on a home improvement project, demolition work, or pruning trees in your yard, this reciprocating saw delivers the performance you need. Number 5. Bosch RS428 Reciprocating Saw. Despite its powerful 14-amp motor, this corded Bosch saw is still comfortable to operate, thanks to its surprisingly low 8-pound weight. A vibration control handle increases user comfort even more, and the soft grip cover provides a solid grip as you cut. The variable speed trigger ensures that you maintain consistent control, regardless of cutting material, and the orbital action setting is especially useful when performing aggressive wood cuts. I'm also a big fan of the adjustable foot, and its 3 positions that increase visibility of your cut line. At just 18.4 inches long, this saw is also relatively compact, and short enough to maneuver easily. This saw features constant orbital action, providing aggressive cutting for various materials including wood, metal, and more. The orbital action enhances cutting speed and efficiency, making your job faster and easier. The variable speed trigger allows you to adjust the cutting speed according to the material and application, offering precise control and versatility. Number 6. Makita RJ03R1 Reciprocating Saw. We love the unique and flexible design of this Makita saw. It's light enough to operate with one hand, but also long enough to use two-handed if you need that extra leverage. At just 2.9 pounds, including the battery, this saw is the perfect choice for DIYers who don't feel like lugging around a heavy power tool all day. Its dual triggers give you the option of pistol style or paddle, depending on how you hold it. The most valuable part of this kit is the 2 included batteries, ensuring you can always have on charging at all times. Its hard-sided carrying case is also a great perk, especially since it has a space for that extra battery, too. The Makita JR3051T Recipro saw delivers superior performance and durability for the most demanding cutting applications. Powered by a 12 amp motor, this reciprocating saw is engineered for a variety of cutting tasks including demolition, metal cutting, wood cutting, drywall, and plaster. Number 7. DeWalt Extreme 12 volts Max Reciprocating Sawzall. A one-handed option that won't break the bank, this 12-volt tool is a versatile choice for those who don't really have a specific job in mind, but frequently need a saw for a variety of quick cutting jobs. Even if you're not remodeling or demoing anything, it's a great landscaping tool to have on hand for pruning and cutting oversized branches. Regardless of the material, this saw's variable speed trigger provides the control needed for accurate, clean cuts. Its bright LED work light is perfect for working underneath sinks or in crawl spaces, and the extensive rubber casing surrounding the tool gives you a good grip and adds to its overall durability. This DeWalt reciprocating saw is equipped with an LED for increased visibility along with a variable speed trigger for added control. This kit includes a DCS 312 reciprocating saw, 12 volts max 3.0 Ah battery, 2 blades, charger, and tool bag. Number 8. Milwaukee M18 Hacksaw Reciprocating Saw. Designed for one-handed use, this compact saw is invaluable when it comes to making quick, short cuts. But don't let its size fool you, its 18-volt motor is still powerful enough to handle heavy-duty material like unistrut or sheet metal. Milwaukee's overload protection technology prevents accidental overload or overheating, and the brushless motor maximizes efficiency and longevity. At just 11 inches long, not including the blade, it's also short enough to fit into a backpack or toolbox, so you can keep it on hand when you need it. This saw's small size is also useful for accessing those hard-to-reach areas that are common in plumbing or irrigation projects. The compact, one-handed design provides superior control and the ability to make cuts in tight spaces. The dual-gear counterbalance mechanism provides up to 4x lower vibration than traditional reciprocating saws, resulting in faster cut starts in metal and reduced user fatigue. Relink Plus intelligence ensures optimized performance and protects your investment from overload, overheating, and over-discharge.